when you're doing an updo, all of this below the ear doesn't matter. If you don't have the fullness and the length, you will want to put a hair extension in because it's the easiest and most accessible thing to do. But if you have hair fillers, which is a bunch of synthetic braiding hair without the weft stuffed into a really fine hairnet, creates a padding or a filler, lots of names for it, you can use that. But I have hair extensions in my hair. I'm not gonna recurl any of this. I'm just gonna put it into a bun, which is what you need to do when you have a lot of hair. Because I know I want my updo on the lower side, I'm going to take it right to the bottom of my nape, and then these strands here, right here, they're left out. Once I do that, I start pulling at these pieces to create some volume. And then I'm going to take some bobby pins and I am simply going to twist and wrap this around. And I'm going to take my bobby pins and I'm just going to stick it in and slide it to the side. I'm going to take a look at it from the front and I want it to show a little bit more. So I'm just going to pull it out a little bit. That bobby pin just completely popped out. So I'm going to stick it in somewhere else. Yeah, so I'm just going to pull at these guys because I want to be able to see it from the side when I turn my head slightly. And then don't worry about pieces that fall like that. You're gonna fix them and clean them up afterward. So this top section right now looks like a hot mess. I'm gonna recurl these pieces. I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna let these pieces softly fall where they naturally look best, meaning I'm not gonna take a section and bring it all the way back and then bring this front. I'm gonna let things kind of fall where they naturally would. And then I'm gonna pinch a piece and pump it up a bit and then bobby pin that into place. I'm gonna do this other side. Bump it up a little bit. I'll do that piece right there. I normally leave the front pieces that are above and in front of my ears to the very last. So this piece I'm not gonna bring all the way to the other side. I'm just gonna pin it right there. Right in its area where it falls. So from there I'm going to take a look and pull and bloom some of the pieces that I feel need some volume. Now I'm left to the very front pieces. I'm going to select out the pieces I want to leave down. And this is optional. You don't have to do this. You can go ahead and just pin everything away. But I find this is such a popular style now that I might as well show you how to do it. So normally the ear is covered. The first 1/3 of the ear is covered. And then I'm going to do the other side. So I'm going to select the pieces I want left out. That's too much. And then from there, it's usually a really light twist, covering the half part, the half 1/3 of the ear, and then pinned in place. So what you have for now is this. You can stop right there, or you can go ahead and try to hide where the separation is. I'm going to do that by pulling some pieces and replacing them now that they're pinned. So for example, I'm going to take some of these pieces here, and I'm gonna allow it to come on top of my updo. And then I'm going to pin that in place, just ever so loosely. I'm going to do the same thing with these pieces here. I'm going to bring that over to the other side and pin it in place. And this time when I pin, I'm taking a little bit of the bun or a little bit of what's dangling, and I am going to cover it, which brings the bun closer to, I guess, behind your ear, which will make it look even more flattering. And then these pieces here, I'm just gonna stick a bobby pin in, and I'm gonna pin my bun to the bottom of my nape. And that brings those strands not just along the side, but kind of all around it. So because this is more of a falling apart kind of an updo, then I'm going to feel out where the pieces feel flat and remold them. There you have it. So it's super quick to transition from a down look to an updo, and this is with hair that's already been styled, and I just had to fix the top pieces a little bit. Took me absolutely no time, less than 15 minutes, and I was talking a lot in between too. And yeah, it gives you this beautiful, effortless style that is so popular on Pinterest right now. So give it a try, let me know how it goes, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know what you'd like to see. Give this a big thumbs up, share it on your post or on your page. All right guys, that's it. Thanks for sparing this quick minute with me, and I will see you next time.